Alright boys, today was my first time jumping on a funded account and it was my first trade of 2025. As seen, I got clipped and yeah, I'm gonna run through this little trade recap of a GBP JPY trade I took through the Asian session this morning. Let's jump into it. Starting off on the hourly time frame, coming into the day, we were sitting in an uptrend on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and I was looking for longs into this 4 hour fair value gap here. We had this high here that we were still sitting below on market open, and the basis behind my trade today was we're sitting in an uptrend and we had this massive fair value gap created after that next candlestick had closed throughout the day. And so I was looking for a retracement into equilibrium from these range lows to what was going to be a range high and the center of this fair value gap. And that was just to balance out price action a little bit so that we could then continue that bullish movement. So market opens, we come up, we sweep out this liquidity. We also filled in 4 hour equilibrium somewhere up here. And then this was followed by a 5-minute break of structure off of this candlestick. From here, this also created a very miniature 5-minute bearish fair value gap. And then we got a retracement filling in this fair value. I'll just chuck on replay trading so you can see that a bit better. But we got a retracement on the 5-minute time frame, filled in equilibrium and filled in this fair value gap, and then we get a strong bearish candlestick down. This to me was well enough to enter off of, and this looked like a really good setup. I was aware that we were sitting inside of this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We'd already sort of filled it in and chopped around. However, usually on a 5-minute time frame, when we break structure and then if we get a retracement followed by another confirmation confluence, that's usually going to account and for the fact that we're about to disrespect that confluence. So all in all, it was a bit of a tough trade today, definitely tough to find. Like you see on a 1-minute time frame, we were looking very bearish. That looks like a retracement, and then following that we actually do get a strong bearish movement down. I mean, price came down here. I thought we were going to rip to take profit, maybe get a little retracement or whatnot, and then price ends up just ripping and stopped us out. So for the day, tough little trade. It did tick all of my confluences, and I can't be mad when I'm taking good setups in the markets. Yeah, just tricky market conditions, and at the moment price is sort of just filled in that 4 hour fair value gap that I was talking about. And so tonight I'll most likely be looking for a trade out of this fair value gap to come down and balance out price action, which is what I was looking for just slightly too early in the day. But regardless, that is how I lost 2.3% on my funded account today. It's a max 10% drawdown, so we've still got another 3 trades, and with a win rate like mine usually is, it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, gonna try bounce back tonight and see if we can find something later in the day. But anyways, thank you boys for watching. Hope you guys didn't get fucked like I did. Ciao.